Namaste and welcome back to day 3, where we'll be doing a deep stretch, getting into the hips and the hamstrings. Since we only have 10 minutes, we got no time to waste. Let's go ahead and find ourselves in Paschimottanasana, forward fold. Extending out the legs in front of you, spine sit up nice and tall. Before we want to arch our spines and get into this posture, we first want to make sure that the crown of the head is reaching up to the sky. You can put your hands beside you if this helps you straighten through the spine. Flex the toes in towards the face and kick out through the heels. Feel the heels connecting into the mat and try to press your kneecaps down into the mat. You might notice that your heels then come away from the mat, and that's perfect. That will improve the stretching through the back of the legs, through the hamstrings. Placing the awareness on the breath. And starting to shift the pelvis forward, noticing your body start to tip gently over the legs, maintaining the integrity of the flexed feet, maintaining the integrity of the elongated spine, and maintaining the awareness on the breath. With every inhale, notice it as you breathe into your belly, it kind of presses you away from your legs. And as you exhale, notice that you have a bit more space to dive forward into the pose. Inhale, peel back a bit, create space. Exhale, move into that space. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to exhale. Noticing the stretch getting deeper as you breathe deep and allow your body to slowly melt over the legs. Eyes can be open or closed. Slowly allowing the forehead to release down. But keep the breath flowing. With every inhale, you create space. And with every exhale, you move into that space. Taking one more round of breath. And slowly inhaling ourselves back up to a seated position and let the ankles go. Shake out the wrists, shake out the ankles. Releasing the tension that we were intentionally bringing into our body to deepen the stretch and through the hamstrings. Release the hands beside you and shake out the shoulders right to left, releasing the low back. Good, and now we'll come into a lizard pose. So right sole of the foot to the top of the mat. That left leg is going to be long behind us. Start first on the toes of that left foot. Palms come on the inside of that right foot. And just start to rock forward and back, getting comfy with the pose. We want a long spine. We're not forward folding over yet. We're practicing improving the integrity of every posture. Good. And if you notice that you have a bit deeper release now through that left quad, you can release the toes to the mat. Every inhale, you're creating space. And every exhale, moving into that space, if you notice, you can come down to your elbows. You can maintain a gentle rock, or you can remain static. Wherever you decide to go, just make sure that the breath is moving your belly, moving into the body. Eyes can be open or closed. Finding a few moments here in this static posture, letting the breath be the only thing that's moving in the body. Good, and coming up onto the hands and coming to switch, straightening out that right leg behind us, left sole of the foot to the outer left side of the mat. And again, integrity of the posture, right toes pick up. Can rock left to right, or you can be static. We're working on breathing into that right hip flexor and that right quad so that it can release and we can release the top of the foot into the mat. Maybe you're ready to release the top of the foot into the mat. And you might notice that one side's different than the other. And that's totally okay. And that's totally normal. There's nothing wrong with you. That's just what happens with our bodies over time. We start to favor one side. Maybe we cross our left leg over our right more. Maybe we walk with a limp like an old school pimp, RLOG. When you're ready, if you're there on this side, coming down to the elbows. I'm rocking Vans. I'm in the sand. I've got a Red Bull and vodka up in my hand. Hey, you look kind of cute in that polka dot bikini, girl. And finding a static posture, letting the eyes close as you focus all of the attention on the breath. Inhale, coming up to the palms of the hands and bringing the right foot forward as we come to sit down, coming into the final posture of this practice, Matsyasana, fish pose. It's a heart opener, nice stretch in through the front of this shoulder as well. Bringing the hands underneath the bum, slowly lowering down to the elbows. Gonna notice the head start to drop back, but make sure the elbows are basically touching. Toes of the feet touching, heels touching, and then you'll slowly start to shift back so the crown of the head comes onto the ground. Feeling the connection of the crown of the head into the mat. Maybe walking out the hands until you feel like you're in a comfy spot. And gently part the lips so they're open to get the fish essence of the pose. Breathing into the belly, breathing into the heart. Allow the eyes to come to the close.
Next inhale. Slowly releasing the back of the head to the mat and relieving the hands from their duty underneath the bum. Let the hands come by the side, palms facing up, straightening through the legs. You can let the heels fall apart as we come in for a few moments here in Shavasana, just allowing our body to absorb the benefits of the practice and realign the spine. Wiggling our fingers and our toes. Taking a deep inhale, arms reach up overhead. Breathe in. And exhale, coming up into a comfortable seated position, sitting crisscross applesauce, letting the eyes come to a close as we bring our thumb knuckles to our third eye, forehead center. The light in me honors and acknowledges the light in you. Have an amazing rest of your day. Exhale as we bow our heads as we say namaste. Thank you so much for joining for day 3. You're killing it. I'll see you in day 4, where we'll be working on our core. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste. I'll see you tomorrow.